Lil Kelsey 305, man. We all the way live, man. And we in the booth with it. Run that, man. Hit that beat for me. Lil Kelsey 305. Lil Kelsey 305. Let us 305, nigga, we all go stuck. Y'all say, yo, I go stuck. Y'all say, y'all go stuck. We all go stuck. We go let them shits blow. We don't give a fuck if you with your hoe. We go let them shits blow. And we all got gloss. And we on the fucking block. Waiting on the up. Y'all say y'all go bend the block. But y'all ain't go bend shit. Cause y'all already know. We all how we steppin'. About the fucking gang. If you dissing on the gang, go yeah, hanging on the fucking choo-choo train. Like we running trains on all these hoes. Like for real, you already know. That's why these niggas out here really fucking mad. But I don't really give a fuck cause I'm getting to that fucking bag. All these niggas hating. That's why I'm really fucking they hoes. Boom boom, they hoes. Boom boom. They hoes.